Hi everybody, we're back live inside Copper Sky Kitchen Stadium where the battle is fierce and heavy with these two premier salsa chefs, Chef Nathan and Copper Chef Mike Riggs. These two chefs are battling out today in today's secret ingredient, fish, fresh from the Copper Sky Pond.
Fish in a salsa? What kind of horseradish is this?
What's the matter? You scared? I can get you some chicken, but you'll be eating your own.
And here goes Chef Nathan looking for some ingredient to utilize because Chef Mike absconded with the chili peppers early on. Oh, he's got a can of Hormel chili and black pepper. He's putting them both in the microwave. Uh-oh, he's setting the timer for 30 seconds. I wonder what's going to come out of there once it's done. He looks fairly confident in his abilities and technique. And the action goes back to Copper Chef Riggs. He's selecting his onions now here, and he's pulling out his ultra sharp Damascus steel kitchen knives. And we're back with Chef Nathan, wondering what kind of experiment's going to come out of that microwave. He put a can of chili in there and pepper, and well, he's got fresh chilies. How did that happen? I can't believe it. Chef Nathan has totally overcome this one obstacle by Copper Chef Mike Riggs imposed on him early in the competition. I know this technique he's going to pull. Copper Chef Mike chops all of his onions over 9,000 times to get the texture just right. We're back with Chef Nathan. He's going over towards the pizza oven. What's he got in there? It looks like he's got one of those imported pizzas from Naples, Italy. Oh my goodness, he's getting it on the pizza wheel and he's bringing it over to the table. What's he gonna do? Oh, it looks like, oh my goodness, what an amazing feat. Chef Nathan is pouring in that robust, zesty tomato sauce from the San Marzano tomatoes of Naples, Italy, and putting it in his salsa. That's gonna definitely amp up the flavor and texture of his salsa. And Chef Mike going to the ingredients board, and he's pulling up those are the Nicaraguan psychedelic peppers, ay Dios mío, and he's cracking them open. This is gonna be one spicy salsa. All right, looks like Chef Nathan's over here grabbing the Tajín spice, a popular spice in Mexico and the US. Oh, it looks like he's peppering it, and he's going for the Salt Bay technique, a popular one made fashionable by the internet. And he's definitely pouring in some interesting spices over here to add to his salsa. He's fluffing it. What a wonderful way to present and offer the flavor inside of his salsa that goes beyond all comprehension. He's chopping up cilantro now. He's got a couple of really good bits in that giant bunch, not even bothering to pull the stems out. And he's pulling them in and just crushing them right behind the bag into the bowl. Beautiful technique. And Chef Mike has got his special salsa handling gloves and welding mask on. What's he going? Oh my God, he's going for his secret ingredient. He brought this in earlier, didn't tell us what it was. What's he bringing out? Oh my goodness, is that the fabled hot lava from Mount Kilimanjaro? He is pouring it in this salsa. The judges better be prepared because that's going to be a spicy meatball. And Chef Nathan blending some ingredients while munching on that pizza from Naples, Italy. He's got to be very confident in what he's cooking up. And stand back, folks. We saw Chef Mike pull these out a little earlier. He's got the fabled hottest peppers in the universe, the Insano Mamba Raptor peppers, said to be the true culprit that killed the dinosaurs, and he's adding it into his salsa. This is gonna be truly insane. And we're back with Chef Nathan, and he's looking at his salsa. It needs a thickening agent. What's he gonna toss in there? Oh, he's throwing in the crust from the pizza from Naples, Italy. No one and there comes the fish finally. He's using the secret ingredient in what a unique way. He's gonna blend them all together. Oh my goodness, whoa! And Chef Mike has got that fresh Copper Sky fish, and it looks like he's utilizing the scales to get that delicious sea flavor directly into his salsa without any of those ugly trans fats. And Nathan here looks like he's happy with what he's got. Gives it an initial taste. No, he's not. What is he gonna do? He looks off screen. What? He's going into the crowd and he's grabbing a baby? He's grabbing a young child from one of the members of the audience, bringing it over. Oh, I know exactly what he's doing here. He's using the fresh tears of a child and putting it into his salsa. That's gonna add a boatload of umami flavor. Let's see if the judges recognize and appreciate that technique. Well, this battle is certainly heating up, but the conclusion is too spicy to be filmed right now. Tune in on September 25th at Salsa Night Market for the epic conclusion to this battle, and you can vote for the winner below by either hashtag Team Nathan or hashtag Team Riggs, and the first 50 participants will receive one free salsa tasting kit to enjoy during the Salsa Night Market.